How to delete hidden purchases on iPhone 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to delete hidden purchases on iPhone 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just really quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, we need to head over to our App Store. And then let's just wait for this to load right here. And then from in there, what you need to do is just click on your profile icon right here. And then click on the purchased, and in here you can see the apps that you have purchased. So what you can do if you want to actually try to hide it is to just swipe from right to left, and as you can see you can click on hide like this. So let's try to do that on one thing. So let's do this, click on hide. Let's do this, click on hide again, and you can just do this again and hide. So that's one thing. But if you want to make a comprehensive hidden purchase, you can head over to settings and then click on your Apple ID, and then from in there you can see these things right here. So what you need to do is to just head over and click on this media and purchases, and then from in there you can click on view account. So then this will load like this. So let's just wait for this right here. And then from in there you need to put in your password. Now once you have put in your password, you will see those things again, and you just need to hide it again. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you delete hidden purchases on iPhone. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.